Hey, Chris Menard here. As promised, here's the video on how to lose one subtotal in a pivot table, but keep the other subtotal. So I've already created a pivot table. Row number 4 has Art Van Delay, and you can see the total amount there. And then listed still in column A are the different brands of cars. So as an example, Acura is 450,000. That subtotal is coming from those three numbers if you look down in the bottom right. After Art Van Delay, the next rep is Carol Jones in row 39, and there's her total, and then there's her brand of cars. So the first tip to give you is to go to Pivot Table Tools Design and show the subtotals at the bottom. To me, that just looks cleaner, but I still have the Acura total, BMW total. So this next step is optional. I'm going to go to Report Layout, and I'm going to show in tabular form. So notice what happens to column A when I click this. It put Acura, the brands, in column B, then it put their customers in column C. So what I don't care to see is this subtotal right here. I'm going to right click the Acura total. It's checked for subtotal for brand, uncheck it, and that's what I wanted to see. The next tip I have for you is in Microsoft PowerPoint, and I'm going to go into detail about this. I have a PowerPoint presentation. It's only got 3 slides. If I save this and click the word File, over to the right is the size of the file, 5.24 MB. That's ridiculous. If you notice, slide 1 is just the title. Slide 2, slide 3 look identical. If possible, and this is what I'm going to explain later, you need to quit putting really large images in your PowerPoint. So even though these two pictures look similar, I'm going to delete slide 2. I'm going to save, File. Look over at the file size. It's 282 KB. Undo, save. So it went from 248, it got increased by 20 times at least. So I'm going to show you how to quickly resize all your images prior to putting them in PowerPoint.